Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting about 5 minutes so the airbag system de-energizes. This prevents faults. Next, remove the glove box and lower steering column shroud to expose hidden screws. Use plastic trim tools to avoid scratching. Once done, take out the visible central trim clips and the small fasteners under the dash with a 10 mm socket. Keep each screw organized in labeled containers, so reassembly is straightforward and fast. You now unbolt the instrument cluster and center fascia using 8 mm and 10 mm sockets. These are critical anchor points. After removing these, release the heater box bolts, detach vent ducts, and unplug electrical connectors. Press each tab firmly and pull straight to avoid broken clips. Once loose, support the dashboard with a padded brace. This prevents sagging and twisting that can stress wiring. Make sure to route connectors out of the way and label any multi-pin plugs so you remember orientation. You and a helper lift the dashboard evenly, watching for obstructions like the handbrake cable and carpet edges. Lift slowly and pivot the dash out without jerking. Once clear, disconnect any remaining harnesses and set the dash aside on a padded surface. Inspect broken clips and mount points and replace as needed. If warning lights or faults appear when reconnecting, make sure the negative battery terminal is tight and that airbag connectors are correctly seated. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.